Yo, welcome back to 20 Beers Ago. Gonna be doing another Mavic Mini review for you. Flying this down at Holden Beach, North Carolina. This is in kind of the middle of the coronavirus pandemic craziness. Everything in North Carolina was locked down. They were letting homeowners onto the beach. So we got on, beaches were still closed, restaurants closed, bar closed. So this was phase one. Now we're in the new phase. So restaurants at 50% and whatnot. So this is a pretty cool video because it's right in Memorial Day weekend territory. So typically bridge is going to be packed with cars, renters are there, and the beach is pretty busy. You'll notice here roads are open, no cars on the beach, and the bridge is pretty empty. So I've got the computer down here. I'm actually going to be following along on the video as I kind of tell what's going on some. Do something new here as we kind of review the video. So my brother and I, my brother Justin, we're both really like music, and we've kind of toyed around with making beats and some songs here and there throughout college and whatnot. What we've done here, thinking it'd be kind of fun, keeping people entertained as we go through the videos. He made a beat for the video. He felt that was appropriate, and then I came through. I made some adjustments to the beat. So the first piece is going to be his beat. Second piece is going to be the beat that I made. They'll sound similar. I made some changes, so there will be some adjustments. These are kind of the Joe Exotic Tiger King spins. Everybody in the pandemic is so hooked on Tiger King, and that kind of went viral. So we threw a little bit of that in there for fun. So
never gonna financially recover from this. Never gonna financially recover from this.
So this part of the video is going to pick up heading up the island towards the bridge. Bridge is kind of a beautiful piece of the island. When I was younger, and I think in October, they shut the bridge down. They do a street fair underneath, a lot of local arts and crafts, awesome food. But one of the cool things is they close the bridge down so you can walk over the bridge. And from the last time I walked, and I think this is right, I've checked it on Wikipedia a couple years ago, but I think the bridge is 72 feet tall. After all said and done with the pilings and stuff, I think you get 64 feet of clearance underneath. So this will be a shot of kind of the water tower bridge in the background. So the second set of the video will actually fly over the bridge towards the marina on the left, some of the seafood restaurants out back. You'll notice a change in the sun. It's going down. It's later in the evening. Something kind of cool in the bottom right, you're going to see the U.S. or the Corps of Engineers, where they've been going out, actually blowing sand out, building up some of the beach, some of the sandbars, and kind of clearing the channel through the middle where the ocean access is. So getting towards the end of the video here, you're going to see some pictures. You also see some video from both sides of the bridge. Mavic Mini has been taking phenomenal, clear photos, shoots in HD. For the price point, I'm amazed at what you can do with it. The beach typically going to be windy, waterway, very open space. So Mavic Mini, from my experience, has had no trouble at all flying in the winds that I've experienced. One day it was like 15-mile-an-hour winds. It struggled a little bit, so you probably don't want to get it out when it's really windy, but for a lot of the stuff that I've experienced, flight's been great. So the last clip is just going to be coming back up the waterway at sunset. You got some boats coming down. This is actually headed back towards our house. Really beautiful scenery. Get some docks. Again, a lot of boats still out. So again, this is kind of another review video of the Mavic Mini, Holden Beach, North Carolina. Yeah, it's a great time out flying. I'm going to continue to post new videos. 20 beers ago. Definitely smack that thumbs up button if you like it. Definitely comment on what you thought about the tracks. My brother versus me. Again, track 1 is him. Track 2 is me. Hopefully, now that we've got our videos and everything set up, should see a lot more content from us. So definitely subscribe and we'll get a lot more out there. So until next time, this is 20 beers ago. Peace.